ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਮਰ ਸਕੂਲ ਹੈ ਇਹ UGC ਹਿਊਮਨ ਰਿਸੋਰਸ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਂਟਰ पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी चंडीगढ़ वालों कराया जा रहा है। ये UGC की मैंडेटरी कंडीशन ये है कि समर स्कूल तो विंटर स्कूल दो स्कूल बनाए हैं। ये स्पैशल कोर्स HRD यूनिवर्सिटी ने कराया है जिहदे विच एंट्री वास्ते कोई पैसा चार्ज नहीं करते। आपां 1000 रुपीज़ नॉर्मली लगता है, इहदे विच कोई पैसा चार्ज नहीं होंदा। और ये जिहड़ा थीम है, आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू प्रोफेसर कुलदीप पुरी जी फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस कोर्स, क्योंकि ये कोर्स जो है दिस इज़ एक थीम इज़ हायर एजुकेशन बिकॉज देयर आर चैलेंजेस एंड इश्यूज इन हायर एजुकेशन एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट फोरम राइट वेयर वी कैन डिस्कस डेलिब्रेट एंड हायर एजुकेशन एंड वी कैन हैव सम पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेशन which you can suggest to the government of India also to improve upon the higher education.
Summer school is on the theme of higher education in India, walk the talk. We have been thinking of the higher education in all its dimensions. We have indicated so many problems. We tried to solve the problems also, but then this was a forum during the summer school that we just sit together and discuss with the experts that what are really the problems that are ailing higher education and how these can be solved, and what are the measures that at every levels, I mean right from the policy level up to the teachers in the colleges, up every level, how the things can be improved.
Myself Jaspreet Kaur, Assistant Professor in Political Science, University College Tilma Barnala, and I am attending the summer school here in Punjab University Chandigarh. बड़ा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है मेरा इत्थे क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा डिफरेंट फील्ड्स तो सानू रिसोर्स परसनस ने आके टीच किया, बड़े करंट टॉपिक्स से उन्होंने सानू बड़ी इनफॉर्मेटिव गल्लां दसियां ने। सो आई रियली फील encouraged and get a lot of information from this summer school.
I am Dr. Inderjeet Singh from University of Jammu in the Department of Geography. So this summer school is really very interesting on the very interesting topic that is higher education in India, walk the talk. So we are enjoying a lot by the knowledge of resource person. All resource person are very good and they have lot of knowledge about the topics. So we have gained lot of knowledge through this summer school, and I hope in next few days we will also enrich from the knowledge of resource person.
Myself Dr. Rashmi More, I am from Maharashtra, Pune University. Summer school यहाँ इसके लिए जो हम लोग आए हैं, all the sessions are very good.
The experience was just wonderful. Right from the day we started with this summer school, it was all in a very enthusiastic fashion and a very informative sort of sessions that have been organized, and a very well coordinated experience that we have had over here. It was indeed one of the best training sessions that I have ever visited or experienced.
Experience with the summer school is very, you can say, excellent. The day I have landed, the staff, they have received us, and whatever the, you can say, queries we are raising in the class, so we are getting the satisfactory answer. And this course particularly for these new teachers, that is very, you can say, informative, and it will enhance our knowledge. And we came to know that what are the things are to be going on in the higher educations, and we got the chance that what can be done to solve the problems of the higher education.
This summer school is very interactive, and I thought they have chosen a very relevant thought or theme of this summer school. And this is the need of our country, that how higher education is working and what are the flaws and advantages we are having in this summer school. And we are finding the loopholes of higher education, that how we can make it in a better way, so that more and more teachers and students, we can benefit them by our experience and by our knowledge and by our thought processes. Thank you.